So, this first one's not that hard. It's pretty easy stuff. You probably remember it from back in 6th grade. But you might not remember what it's called. So we're going to go over all 3 of them real quick. Okay? There's 3 types of angles. There's an acute angle, and they're so cute. Right? And then there's a right angle, because he's right, never wrong. Yeah. Right? And then there's an obtuse angle. Okay? So, acute, meaning smaller than 90. Cute, they're so cute. Right? Acute. Okay? And then there's a right, meaning perpendicular. Okay? And then there is, or 90 degrees. Right? And then there's obtuse. Like, if someone says, you're so obtuse. Okay? It could mean that you're chubby. Right? Or it could also mean that you're so open and not, you're open. Obtuse is actually a negative connotation towards it's actually being closed-minded. Isn't that weird? In fact, it's weird, right? Because you would think it'd be open-minded. Oh, you're obtuse, so you're open-minded, you're so open. But yet, no, it's the opposite of that. So, obtuse means larger than 90. Okay? So, 100 is larger than 90. So it is. That was pretty simple, right? So you probably won't see this one on the final, but it will be on your first test. So yay, we got a really easy one on the first test. Okay? If you keep these on your cheat sheet, that first test will be really easy. Yeah? Okay? Next, here comes symbolic logic. Symbolic logic we learn in chapter 2. Okay? And I'm going to go a little fast. I'm sorry because I'm running out of time. What time are we at? 2 after?
5.
5 after? Okay, I can slow down a little bit. Okay. Alright, so what this says is, if the measure of the angle, that means angle, okay? So we have the measure, the angle, and if RTV, so that means I got some kind of angle out there. R, T, and V, okay? So if the measure of angle RTV is x minus 3 degrees, okay? So this is meaning degrees, okay? Anyone know what this means? This is beautiful. It does. It means multiplication, but no, not in here. So in here, we use the big dot, right? There's a difference between multiplication dot and the big dot. So multiplication, and then close, nope, close circle. We do use that too, but this actually is, in symbolic logic, it means and. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. So, we're going to learn a lot of words. Okay? So, here's a couple, this is a little bit of review. This means, up here, or. Okay? What does this mean? And. Okay? Anything else? Oh, angle. Angle. Anything else we learned so far? Oh, if. If and only if. It really means if and only if, but we use it as if in here. If. So if. Okay? I might as well give you this one. This is then. Okay? We're going to use that a lot in 2nd chapter. Then. Okay? So those are our first symbols. Believe me, you'll thank me, because you can take a symbolic logic class in college and it'll count for a math class. And you'll be like, damn, this was easy. Okay? Because I learned it all by that weirdo, Mr. Williams. So, alright, so then, if I have this, okay, RTV, and I have this, VTS. So VTS S. And TV bisects RST. So R. Whoa. RST. Hold on a second. Let me do this. RST. Right? Then we got TV, RS. Something's wrong. That doesn't add up. Am I saying something wrong? RTS. There we go. This is supposed to be RTS. My dyslexia kicks in there. RTS. So now it's easy. Okay, so RTV, and then we're going to have RT and S, right? So we'll put S up here. Perfect. Now we're good. I was going to say, that doesn't make sense. Okay. So it says VTS is equal to 4x minus 15 degrees, right? Now the one thing we have to remember is that TV bisects RTS. So that means TV right here, this bisects, and when you bisect something, what happens? Cuts it in half. Perfect half, right? Boom. Perfect halves. Okay? So this is a bisecting a segment. Bam. Cuts it in half. And this is bisecting an angle. Meaning that this angle is congruent to this angle. So there's another symbol. Congruent. Okay? Alright, that means that we get x, and I'm going to use these in colors, sorry. X minus 3 is equal to, or congruent, but the measure of this is equal to 4x minus 15. And now we say, well, why? Why can we say that? And its definition of an angle bisector. Okay? So we're using the bisector, right, to prove that these two are equal, they're congruent. Okay? Now once we do that, now it's just math. Right? So this in math is transition. I call this transition, right? And when I call it transition, I say you move the lowest x. Move the lowest variable. Okay? So what's lower? 1 or 4? 1. So I'm going to move that by the opposite. Okay? OPP. So what's opposite of 1? Minus 1, right? What I do to one side? Minus x. And so I'm left with negative 3 equals 3x minus 15. Well, what's that called? What do we do to both sides? Subtract. That's it, girl. You gotten it. Property of equality. You're getting it, right? Each step. Okay? Oh, that's right. Simone, you're not in here next period?
I am. I'm just going to
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, next step. What's my next step? Yes. Add the 15. Add the 15, right? Okay. And so I get 12 equals 3x. And so, what's that called? Division. No. What did we do? addition property of equality. Right? You were getting it, but yeah, we'll get there. All right, now what do we do? Divide. By? Okay, so then I got 4 equals x, so that's division property of equality, right? So I know that x is 4, but I still don't know what the answer is, right? Because they want to know what RTV is. What is RTV? Well, RTV, the angle, is equal to what? X minus 3, right? And why can we say that? Because it was given, right? RTV is given. So it's given. Okay? Then what do we do? Angle RTV is equal to 4, right? Minus 3. So what did we do there?
Oh, you plugged it in.
Plugged it in. What's that called? Substitution. Okay? So then what? RTV is equal to 1, right? What's that called? Done. So that's in degrees, right? So 1 degree. Yay! That wasn't too bad. It's a small angle.